Hello everyone, all the students of class 9. Today we will start a new chapter from your moment book, chapter 2. The name of the chapter is The Adventures of Toto. So now student, first we will see that who was Toto. Who is Toto here in this story? So actually student, Toto is the name of a monkey who was actually the pet monkey of the author, of the narrator of the story. The writer of the story had a pet monkey whose name was Toto, and whatever adventures he actually create in the story, that's whatever adventures thing, whatever adventures activity that this monkey Toto does, that we would see in this story. That is why the name of the story is The Adventure of Toto. So the first thing you need to know, student, here is that what is the meaning of the word adventures. So adventures means all the adventurous activity that we do is actually known as adventure. The things that normally is not done anything. When you are wandering somewhere. When you are para jumping. The doing that. The adventurous activity. I think that all of you would understand this word. What is adventure? So what sort of adventures Toto does, that we would see in the story. But before we continue, let's warm up a bit. Let's discuss on few points. The few questions has been asked to you before we go ahead in the story. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? Students, there are many people who keeps pet animals, and most of them generally keep dog as their pet. So now here the question is asking to you that have you ever kept a monkey as a pet? Keeping monkey as a pet is not an usual thing, and it's not a general thing. Generally, people keep a dog or cat or some other animal as pet, but not most of the people keep monkey as pet. And what is a pet? The animal that keep our house for the pet animals that we keep, that is actually a pet. Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. Student, docile means someone who is friendly, or not friendly means to say that actually someone who is not so rude, not so was he friendly, good, loving, or he was a mischievous? That's mischievous means someone who does naughtiest thing. That's what you have to find out after reading the story.